Bobby and Barbara Schiffman Meisel have been a powerful and dedicated couple for many arts institutions in Cleveland. For countless years, Stan and Bobby have been generous supporters of Cleveland Playhouse through both their time and financial resources. In great part, they have supported children's programming and education and the Case Western Reserve University Cleveland Playhouse MFA acting program. Philanthropy has been second nature to the couple. Stan Meisel was born in Cleveland. He became a successful entrepreneur who has taken pleasure in helping others to succeed in business in Northeast Ohio. Because of his interest in the arts and education, he formed the Meisel Family Foundation. This foundation awards scholarships to a number of Cleveland and human service organizations. His and Bobby's interest in the arts led him to become active in the Cleveland Playhouse. He served as board treasurer, on the executive committee, and was president of the Playhouse Club and of the men's committee. In recognition of his numerous contributions to the Playhouse, he was elected an honorary trustee for life. Cleveland Playhouse has indeed been fortunate to have Stan's advice and counsel for many years. Barbara, affectionately known as Bobby, lived in Cleveland until her family moved to California when she was 13. Bobby has said that I was born into the Cleveland Playhouse. She was a member of the Curtain Pullers, the youth theater program that incubated the early careers of such actors as Joel Grey and Margaret Hamilton. She graduated from UCLA with a major in theater arts, and while at a cousin's wedding here in Cleveland in 1952, Bobby met Stan on a blind date. After extending her trip, Stan proposed, and they were married in California and returned to Cleveland. Bobby went on to a career as a radio actress on the Cavalcade of American Anthology series. Barbara was always the I will help person and chaired many groups for the Women's Committee. After several years of dedication, Bobby was elected president and served 2 terms. Her passion for the education of children and exposing them to live theater led Stan to establish a fund in her name, which provided funding for transportation for inner-city children to be able to come to the Cleveland Playhouse for studio performances. The Meisels are kind, they're gentle, and they're effective. They are part of a special group who were the backbone of the theater for many years, and their support continues to this day. In 2011, they made a leadership gift to the Power of Three campaign, the effort that has remodeled the Allen Theater. Today, thanks to them, we're sitting on the Meisel stage of that theater. Their dedication and devotion to Cleveland Playhouse has become an enduring legacy.